Hi Broncos, this is Mrs. Ruiz with a little short how-to video on how to use California colleges for your FAFSA and for your Cal State Apply application. So we are going to go ahead and start off with your California Colleges account. You're going to want to open up your search engine and type in California Colleges. I'm already there, so I'm going to allow you to go ahead and sign in, or I'll sign in the process. As a wrong password, but that's okay. We'll just log in again. And this is the site that I see as far as a management account. You will see something similar. You'll see more of the student side of things. This is my dashboard, but you should still see these main tabs here. This is what you're going to use. So we're going to go over to the college tab, and you're going to hold down the drop menu to access and click over on the California State University application. And this will launch the Cal State Apply application. So if you are planning, for example, to apply to Cal State San Marcos, San Diego State, Cal State Fullerton, Cal State San Bernardino, Cal State LA, Cal State Long Beach, any of the 23 Cal State University colleges, you are going to use this application. So you're going to scroll down and select the term that you are applying for. You will be applying for fall 2019. Click apply. And it should bring you to the registration page. So if you have not created a California State University account, you're going to want to do so here. I've created one for myself, and so I'm going to sign in. So mine is going to look a little bit different than yours because I don't have any information of grades in California colleges. The purpose of using California colleges is so that it can transfer all of the information, the grade information that has been imported into your California college account already. So if you were to go back to your California colleges, you would look at your education side of things, and you will be able to see the grades that you have received in classes. And so this will import all of that information to your application so you don't have to select those individually. And that's going to happen in this section here. So when you start with the first tab of high school coursework, you can transfer all of your California college information over. So it will say, it should say Vista Marina High School here, the dates that you have attended, and you want to make sure all of that information is correct, that the starting dates are correct and the completion date is correct. Some of you may have attended other schools, which may show up as well. So I've kind of done the process, but if you were to click on this box here for California colleges, you would press connect and continue, and it would transfer everything over. Because I am not a student, it doesn't show that information for myself, but you should be able to transfer all of your information over just by connecting your California college information to your Cal State Apply application. For the FAFSA, you are going to go back to California colleges, click on the FAFSA tab, and click on the FAFSA link. To launch FAFSA, you're going to click this blue button that says Launch FAFSA, and it's going to take you directly to the Federal Student Aid site. So this is where you would be filling out your financial aid application. If you are a new user, you're going to start here, but you need a FAFSA ID number first. Now, that does take some time to retrieve, so you cannot start a FAFSA application until you have received your FAFSA ID. So if you scroll down here, an easy way of getting to that website is going down to this little link or down here where it says the FAFSA ID, and it'll take you to the site to create your FAFSA ID. So you'll click on the button there, and you'll go through this information here. This will only take you about 2 minutes to complete. You will need to know your social security number, and I will repeat that it has to be your social security number. Please do not use anyone else's. You will also need an email to enter, and when you are entering this information, please make sure this is your information. Your parents will also have to complete or create a FAFSA ID as well. This is their signature. The FAFSA ID is your signature as well. When your parent goes to create an FSA ID account, they will also need their social security number, and they will also need to use their own email address. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you as you go through this college process. Thank you.